Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm doing this Valentine's makeup look. I used this palette right here, the Anastasia one. And now I know Valentine's is coming up soon, it's just in a couple days. So if you want to see this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first we are going to start with primer. I'm going to use my e.l.f. green toning primer. I do have redness on my face. It doesn't really help with the redness, but it does make my face nice and smooth. I'm looking to buy a new primer because I'm not the biggest fan of this one, but it's what I have, so we're just going to work with it. So I just like to put it mainly in my T-zone here. Now if you see me looking over here, it's because I do have a mirror here. I'm not sure how beauty people can look straight and do their makeup perfectly. Now, I just want to say I'm not no expert at makeup. This is just how I do it. Now, it's whatever. Now first thing we're going to do is the eyes. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay primer and prime the eyes so the eyeshadow sticks all day long. And now also I do have dark eyelids, so this helps a lot. Now I'm going to zoom you guys up to my eyes here. Now you really can see what my face looks like. Oh my god. It looks so bad. Today we're going to use our Anastasia palette. Looks like this. I don't have very many brushes, but this is what... I don't have the names of the brushes either, so we're going to start off with this color up here. And we're going to put that all over the lid. Now for a transition shade, I'm going to use this color right at the bottom of it. Just tap it in a little bit. Just blend that in. Now of course, because the reason why I'm using this palette is because of the nice pinky red tones in there. So I'm going to take this one right here. No. Yeah, I'll take that one. Put it in the outer V a little bit. Just blend it in. Now I'm going to take this other red one here and mainly put it all over the lid. Now I want to deepen it up a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this brown at the end here. And just put it at the edges. Now I'm going to go back in with this one right there and smoke it out a bit. Oh snap. Now, I'm gonna put a little bit more red in there. Okay, now I'm going to take this color and just put it in my inner corner to brighten it up a little bit. And that's what I'm going to do for the eyes. I'm going to go in with Brow by Benefit brow pencil. Mine's starting to get a little dry. Does yours do that? If you have any recommendations on some brow products, let me know. Now, I don't really do much on my brows. I just like to fill them in a little bit. Okay, and that's for my brows. Now let's try to remember brows. First of all, I'm not like, I need practice on doing my brows, is what I'm trying to say. I'm not very good at doing my brows. But let's remember they are sisters, not twins. So we're just gonna go with, yeah, they definitely do not look alike. But next, I'm gonna do foundation. And you can usually do like a full coverage kind of foundation if you like. I'm trying out 4 different foundations right now to find a nice full coverage one that I like before I actually buy it. But for today, I'm gonna do the Wet n Wild Focus Foundation, or Photo Focus Foundation. And my shade, I'm very pale as you can tell. My shade is Shell Ivory. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm going to use I'm gonna do it with a brush, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. foundation brush that looks like this. So let's just open it up. I know this is like completely unsanitary doing this, but whatever. Now I'm just going to take my brush and buff it in. Has a weird smell to it. Blend down the neck. Now what I like to do is I like to go back in with the foundation and just go in with put some extra on the parts where I really need it, like my redness here, and some breakouts that I have. Pretty much those spots. Okay, now we're going to go in with some primer, and I'm going to use my Better Skin by Maybelline in the color ivory. Looks like this. To brighten up those eyes. It looks scary, I know. I'm going to go in with my little sponge from e.l.f. and just blend that in. Okay. Now I'm gonna do some contouring and bronzing. So I'm gonna go in my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is my favorite palette if you know me. Now I'm going to go in this first shade right here first and just bronze it up a little bit. And then I'm going to do some contouring, and I'm going to go in with this middle shade. And I'm just going to put a line. And then I'm just going to blend that in. And if you want to make it a little sharper, you can take one of these colors up here. I'm going to go with the middle one and just sharpen out that edge there. Just like that. Now I'm going to go in with my blush kit by Anastasia. And looks like this. I mainly typical go for this shade at the bottom here. It's in Breeze. So I'm going to go with that. And just put on the apples of my cheeks. And voila! Now for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Spotlight palette in Pearl. It looks like that. And I mainly go for this one right, the first one here. So I love a good highlight. I want it to be blinding you. Okay. Now next, last but not least, I am going to do lips. Now since this is a Valentine's Day kind of look, you can do like a red. But I don't look good in red, so we're not going to do a red. And another thing, oh I forgot eyeliner. looks like we're not going to do eyeliner today. But you can do like a winged eyeliner for this look if you really want to go out dramatic, and fake lashes. But I've never done fake lashes before, not gonna lie. Oh wait, I didn't do mascara. I am forgetting a whole lot here. Okay, we're gonna go in with mascara. So I like to use, this is by Rimmel and Maybelline. Actually, I'm just gonna do the one today. I'm just gonna use this one today. And just, and for me, I like to do my bottom lashes as well. I feel like by doing bottom lashes, it like brings my eyes out more. Okay, so now for the lips. Like I said, red would be great to use, but I'm not that kind of girl. I'm not a red person. Okay. So as you can tell, I like the nudes. So I have this little sample one. It's Tarte. It's a lip paint. It's in Birthday Suit. But I think I'm just going to use my e.l.f. one. And this shade is in like Pearline, I think. I don't fucking know. And I love the applicator too. And this is your Valentine's makeup look. I'll get a little close up on my eyes. And that is it. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this makeup tutorial, I'm not the best at doing makeup, but I really enjoy it. It's a hobby of mine, so it's what I like to do. So if you can please hit that thumbs up and that red subscribe button down below, it would really help me out a lot. And I hope you like this video and will come back to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.